Most people wake up every morning and reach for tea or coffee without ever thinking about it. It feels normal, comforting, automatic. But what if I told you that this simple habit is quietly shaping how fast your body ages? What if the same cup that wakes you up could also protect your brain, calm inflammation, and support your cells as you grow older? And what if most people are using it the wrong way? Inside tea and coffee, there is real biological power, not motivation, not hype, chemistry. These warm drinks are not just rituals, they are biochemical tools. They talk to your cells, they influence your hormones, they affect your energy, your brain, and your long-term health. But here is the part almost no one talks about. Tea or coffee alone is not the full story. The real transformation happens when you combine them with the right natural ingredients. Simple ingredients, affordable ingredients, ingredients humans have used for centuries. When used correctly, one ordinary cup can become a daily longevity signal. Not a miracle, not overnight, but powerful. Over time, in longevity research, one truth keeps appearing: small daily habits create massive long-term effects. The body does not age suddenly, it ages quietly. Inflammation builds slowly, energy production weakens gradually, repair systems slow down year by year. And because aging is slow, the solution must also be gentle. This is why daily drinks matter. They are repeated, trusted, absorbed without resistance. Your body listens to what you repeat, especially after 50, especially after 60. Today I want to show you 5 natural ingredients that can be added to your tea or coffee. No exotic supplements, no expensive products, just natural compounds that help the body do what it was designed to do: repair, balance, resist damage. Let's begin. Tea and coffee matter because they already contain powerful plant compounds. Tea is rich in natural antioxidants. Coffee contains polyphenol that support metabolism and brain health. These compounds reduce oxidative stress and support circulation. But they work best when the body is stable inside. That is where the right ingredients come in. The first ingredient is cinnamon. Most people see cinnamon as just a flavor, something sweet, something decorative. But at the cellular level, cinnamon behaves like a metabolic regulator. One of the strongest drivers of aging is unstable blood sugar. Every sugar spike forces insulin release. Repeated spikes lead to insulin resistance. And insulin resistance does not just cause diabetes. It accelerates aging. It increases inflammation. It damages mitochondria. It weakens the brain. Cinnamon helps interrupt this cycle. It improves how cells respond to insulin. This allows sugar to enter cells smoothly, without forcing the system. When blood sugar is stable, energy becomes steady. No sharp highs, no sudden crashes. Mental clarity improves. Hunger calms down. Inflammation decreases. Cinnamon also activates a natural repair switch inside the cell, a pathway that tells the body to clean up damage and create new energy factories. This same pathway is activated during fasting and exercise, but cinnamon does it gently, especially helpful for people who cannot do extreme routines. A small amount, half a teaspoon, used consistently, that is enough. Now pause for a moment. Think about how powerful that is. not forcing the body, not stressing it, just guiding it. This is how real longevity works. Next comes ginger. Ginger has been used for thousands of years, across cultures, across generations. And now we know why. One of the biggest enemies of aging is chronic inflammation. Not the kind you feel, the silent kind, the kind that slowly damages joints, blood vessels, and brain cells. Ginger helps calm this inflammation. But that is not all. Ginger protects mitochondria. Mitochondria are the energy factories of the cell. When they weaken, fatigue increases, brain fog appears, recovery slows. Ginger helps shield mitochondria from damage. It supports cleaner energy production. Ginger also improves digestion. As we age, absorption becomes weaker. Even good food is not fully used. Ginger improves movement inside the digestive system. This means nutrients are absorbed better. Antioxidants from tea, polyphenol from coffee, they work better when ginger is present. Ginger also supports the brain. It helps protect neurons and supports clearer thinking. Small amounts, used daily, quiet benefits, strong impact. Now let's talk about turmeric. Turmeric is one of the most powerful natural compounds for healthy aging. Its active component works on multiple pathways. At the same time, turmeric calms inflammation. At its source, it protects cells from oxidative damage. It supports mitochondrial function. But turmeric is especially important for the brain. As we age, the brain becomes more sensitive to inflammation. This is linked to memory loss and cognitive decline. Turmeric crosses into the brain. It supports brain repair signals. It helps maintain clarity, mood, and mental resilience. Turmeric works best in warm liquids with a small amount of fat. When added to tea or coffee, it becomes a daily brain support ritual. Next are cloves. Small, often ignored, but incredibly powerful. Cloves are rich in natural antioxidants. They protect cells from long-term damage. They support the liver. The liver is central to detoxification and metabolic balance. A healthy liver means better blood sugar control and less inflammation. Cloves also support immune resilience. As we age, the immune system weakens. Cloves help maintain balance. Not overreaction, not suppression. Balance. Finally, lemon. Often overlooked, but lemon plays an important supporting role. It supports detox pathways. It improves absorption. It strengthens immunity. Lemon enhances everything else in the cup. It creates a supportive internal environment. Now, there are things to avoid. Sugar cancels these benefits. Artificial creamers damage gut health. The goal is not excess. The goal is consistency. Small amounts, every day. This is not about perfection. It is about alignment. When tea or coffee works with your biology, instead of against it, it becomes more than a drink. It becomes a daily signal for repair. A quiet message to your cells. Slow down. Stabilize. Protect. This is how aging changes direction. Not dramatically, but steadily. And that is how longevity is built. If you found this video helpful, subscribe my channel, like and share the video with your friends, and leave a comment below. Take care.